Hey guys. Okay, I'm trying this first video just so you can see what you're supposed to be doing. Hopefully this works out. You should have already signed it up in drawing and painting, and this is your class code, QZ3NRFF. When you go into this, most of you have already been in here. You see on the top there's stream and classwork. Those are really the only two things you need to pay attention to. As I scroll down in my window here, you'll see that I've put a few posts last week. And if you scroll a little bit further, you'll see that there's a lot of pictures of Leonardo da Vinci's sketchbooks and his notebooks. You'll also see a Renaissance word find. You're using this for vocabulary. You will get points if you actually do the word find, but most of you can't print and it's difficult to do. So I'm just using this for vocabulary. So you're going to do, when it says Renaissance vocabulary, I'm talking about Renaissance word find. Okay, so it says to click on the Da Vinci assignment for your sketchbook assignment. So I'm going to go down a little further. These are all the pictures in the stream. And I'm going to go down to where I originally posted this assignment. And see how it says here, new assignment, Leonardo da Vinci activities, Q4. I could go scrolling through my stream and click on this, or I can go up to classwork quickly and I can scroll down to the artist section in my classwork because we're talking about an artist. So this is in the artist section. I'm clicking on Leonardo da Vinci's activities, Q4. It does have a due date on it for Wednesday. That's because I want you to have your worksheet answers and your Renaissance vocabulary done by Wednesday. And I also want you to have at least one sketchbook page. So you're going to look at his sketchbook pages and you're kind of going to copy him. You're going to pick up your own topic, decide what it is you want to draw. You'll see that he has faces, insides of body parts, parts of muscles. Other times he draws about his inventions and different things. So you're going to decide what it is you'd like to draw, completely open for you. If you are having trouble deciding, I'm going to tell you to just pick a body part, okay? Do an anatomy study. When you click on this guy, you'll see number 1, it says worksheet answers, 2, Renaissance vocabulary, and then 3 is where I've written in what I want you to do for the actual sketchbook. Most of you will have lined paper, but if you have blank paper, I'd rather you use it. I know that I'm only expecting you to have pencils and pens. If you have more, great. If not, that's fine. You're going to be copying and practicing and doing your own sketchbook. You could even do a sketchbook on the COVID-19 virus and fill up a page or two with what it looks like, what it does, information, because you'll see in his activities and in these notebooks, I'm going to click on this one so you can see it a little better. There's writing and sketching, okay? And see, there's a bunch of blank space. You don't have to fill up the whole thing. So this is one of the examples where he was coming up with like ideas for a house, for designs. And then over here, I can't even honestly tell you what this is. And he often wrote backwards. So I'm going to obviously tell you should write forwards and write some notes. Find an invention or something, anything at all. Like you could do a sketchbook page on a Campbell soup can if you draw it well enough and talk about your experience picking it up at the store. This is just a very open assignment so that you can choose your things. This is another one where he did anatomy. So he picked part of the body. This is a really full sketchbook page. Okay, you don't have to fill it up this much, but that's great if you do. I'm going to expect at least one of these on Wednesday, and I will want you to do 3 per week. Okay, so you're going to choose a subject. It'll be different each time, or it could be the same thing if you really like it. And that's the deal. So it's in artists underneath classwork. I'm going back to your big drawing and painting stream. When I say look in the stream, it's just because I'm going to post something here. I'm actually going to post this for you guys today. What you want you to do, paste it, make that a capital. So today, this is what you guys are doing. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. I'm going to post this here and end my video. And my chat box is open every day, all day. I'm going to video call you guys. So hopefully you can get a hold of me that way too.